Ito ang ayaw mangyari ng China ngayon. Ang biglang dumating dito ang backup, mahigit 16,000 US Army na sundalo. Ayon sa nakalap nating impormasyon, sasanayin na ng Amerika ang Pilipinas kung paano makipaggera ang mga sundalo. Matapos dumating ang 16,000 US Army libu-libong backup, pinatawag ni Colonel Lohico.
The purpose of an armed forces, why we exist, is really to prepare for war. There's no sugarcoating it. That's absolutely true. For us not to prepare, that's a disservice to the country. With or without China, let's say for example in a parallel universe, China did not exist, we would still be doing these exercises.
Dagdag pa ni Colonel Lohico, tumating na din dito ang American mid-range missile na gustong testingin sa West Philippine Sea ng mga Amerikano. Kaya daw kasi nitong umabot sa layong 300 nautical mile, di malayong magamit daw sa mga Chino.
It's a naval weapon system that the United States has put into a prime mover, and it has been deployed already up north. Even moving this equipment from one point of the country to another already has training benefits on our part. Everything that we have is going to be put in full display.
Pero ayon sa PCG, tamang-tama daw pagdating dito ng America mid-range missile matapos may mamata ang kakulay ng barko ng China na mga CCG. Hinalang nagdadagdag daw dito ang China ng puwersa. Mas malakas daw yung mga yan ayon sa PCG.
Ang pinaka-conclusive evidence natin dito is that they are making use of Chinese maritime militia as their alternate vessels on those instances na wala yung presensya ng China Coast Guard to carry out the same responsibility.
Our own monitoring gave us a total of 55 various Chinese vessels monitored in Baho de Masinloc, Ayungin Shoal, Pag-asa, Panata, and Lawak. Some of them would be lying to or stationary, others would be moving, doing patrols.
Pero sabi ng tigapagsalita ng AFP, mainam daw ang ginawang pagsali dito ng Australia at France. Makikiensayo sila sa West Philippine Sea. Binalaan tuloy ang China ng US Major General. Umalis muna, baka sila mapagpraktisan sa West Philippine Sea.
Nga po, no, nasabi po ng ating presidente kahapon, no, so it's also the first time that somebody, another nation, like-minded nation is joining us, no, in the, yung France po will join us in our maritime exercises, and of course Australia is also joining us, and we have other nations who's also going to be there as observers. So para po sa Armed Forces of the Philippines, this is a very good move in the right direction for us to increase po yung our learning curve, no. Nakikita kasi natin with these exercises, paano tayo we can interoperate and integrate our systems with other like-minded nations in the event of any eventuality, sir, no? Not just for the defense side of things, but also in terms of HADR, so humanitarian assistance, as the case may be.
Ngayon, ikaw, bilang Pilipino, ano ang masasabi mo at reaksyon sa balitang ito? Mag-iwan ka ng komento sa ibaba at atin pong babasahin isa-isa.